Let me start with a question. Have you ever met someone, and after the conversation ended, you kept thinking about them? Not because they were the loudest person in the room, but because there was something about them you couldn't fully figure out yet. Maybe they smiled at something you said, but didn't explain why. Maybe they listened more than they spoke. Or maybe they said something interesting, and then just left it there. That feeling? That's mystery. And mystery is one of the strongest triggers of attraction. Think about the opposite for a second. Sometimes you meet someone and within 10 minutes you know everything about them. Where they grew up. Their ex. Their favorite movies. Their plans for the next 5 years. It's not bad, but your brain quickly goes, okay, I understand this person. There's no puzzle left. But when someone reveals themselves gradually, something different happens. Your curiosity stays active. And curiosity is powerful. Because the human brain is wired to solve puzzles. Here's a small example. Imagine 2 conversations. In the first conversation, someone answers every question with long explanations. They talk the whole time. They fill every silence. By the end of the conversation, you know everything there is to know. Now imagine the second conversation. Someone answers honestly, but calmly. They speak, then pause. They smile when you talk. They ask you questions too. They don't rush to explain everything about themselves. Suddenly the interaction feels different. Now your mind starts wondering, who is this person? What else is there that I don't know yet? And that curiosity keeps your attention. Another reason mystery creates attraction is emotional tension. Not uncomfortable tension. The interesting kind. The kind where after you walk away you think, that person was interesting. And for some reason, your brain keeps replaying the conversation. You start wondering what they're like when they're relaxed. What their story is. What else you didn't discover yet. That lingering curiosity is powerful. But here's the important part. Real mystery isn't about playing games. It's not about pretending to be distant or cold. The people who naturally create intrigue are usually just comfortable with themselves. They don't feel the need to explain everything. They don't rush conversations. They're okay with moments of silence. They're okay letting people discover them slowly. And honestly, the most intriguing people in a room are rarely the loudest ones. They're usually the calm ones. The observant ones. The ones who reveal things about themselves piece by piece. Because attraction often begins with one simple emotion. Curiosity. And mystery is what keeps that curiosity alive.